Hi, it's Jake here from Curry's PC World. So you've caught the PC gaming bug, but you're wondering where to begin. So what I thought I'd do was I'd show you my setup and see if we can't give you a little bit of a head start. So here we've got the PC Specialist Tornado R3 gaming PC. So its processor can handle big games with big maps like League of Legends with no problem. Also, it can run really well at higher settings, so you can pump out really high frame rates with none of that jerkiness to take you out of the action. And I've got the PC paired up with this monitor, which is an LG Ultra Gear IPS LCD gaming monitor. So it's curved, which means less distortion and less strain on my eyes when I'm doing longer gaming sessions, but also it's got full HD, an awesome refresh rate, so it picks up every detail and it looks brilliant. Okay, so that's the big stuff, that's the core stuff. Moving on to my accessories, and here I have a SteelSeries Apex 7 mechanical gaming keyboard and a Sensei 10 optical gaming mouse. Both of them are super reactive in turn, making me more reactive. So the keyboard's totally customizable. I can set specific profiles for different games, and it's got a little OLED screen, which means that I can change the settings, change the volume, and also read my Discord messages while I'm playing. The mouse is really fast, really responsive, and it's really comfortable as well. Plus, it's got 8 programmable buttons, which means I can set it up for any game and pull off sequences of moves in just one click. But if I want more immersion or I'm playing with my mates, then I will pick up my SteelSeries Arctis 7 gaming headset. So not only does it have a really good noise cancelling mic, so I'm always coming through loud and clear, it's got genuinely impressive surround sound, so I've always got my head in the action. Then last but definitely not least is the Arozzi Verona V2, which is my gaming chair. So it's incredibly comfortable, it's got great neck and lumbar support, it also looks the part. I could sit in here, and I do sit in here for hours. Okay, so that pretty much covers it for me. We've got a massive range of gaming stuff, so check out the gaming section on the website or pop into store, speak to one of our colleagues if you need a little extra advice. Happy gaming.